Welcome back to Luxury Yacht Hub. Today, we're taking you aboard the impressive Munson 52-foot expedition landing craft, a purpose-built aluminum vessel designed to handle demanding commercial operations, remote expeditions, and heavy-duty transport with exceptional reliability. Combining rugged construction, modern engineering, and practical versatility, this remarkable landing craft showcases what professional marine design is capable of in today's maritime industry. From the very first glance, the Munson 52 immediately stands apart from conventional boats. Built with an all-welded marine-grade aluminum hull, the vessel is engineered to withstand harsh coastal environments, challenging weather conditions, and years of demanding service. Its industrial appearance reflects its true purpose, a highly capable workboat designed for performance rather than luxury, while still offering comfort and efficiency for crew and passengers. Stretching approximately 52 feet in length, the landing craft provides an impressive amount of usable deck space. Every square foot has been carefully planned to maximize cargo capacity, equipment transport, and operational flexibility. Whether carrying construction materials, utility vehicles, scientific equipment, emergency supplies, or expedition gear, the spacious deck allows operators to configure the vessel for a wide variety of missions. One of the defining features of the Munson 52 is its hydraulically operated bow loading ramp. This heavy-duty ramp allows vehicles, trailers, construction machinery, ATVs, utility trucks, and cargo to drive directly on and off the vessel without requiring cranes or specialized dock facilities. This capability dramatically reduces loading times while increasing operational efficiency in remote locations where infrastructure may be limited. As we step aboard, the expansive cargo deck immediately demonstrates the vessel's practical design philosophy. Heavy-duty tie-down points are integrated throughout the deck, allowing cargo to be safely secured during transit. Non-slip aluminum surfaces provide excellent traction for crew members working in wet or demanding conditions, while reinforced structural components ensure the deck can support significant payloads. Moving toward the forward section, the enclosed wheelhouse provides outstanding visibility through large marine-grade windows that surround the helm. Operators enjoy nearly panoramic views, allowing precise maneuvering during docking operations, beach landings, and navigation through narrow waterways or busy commercial harbors. Inside the wheelhouse, modern marine electronics place advanced navigation technology directly at the captain's fingertips. Large multifunction displays integrate GPS navigation, radar, sonar, electronic chart systems, ash vessel tracking, digital engine monitoring, weather information, and communication equipment into one efficient command center. Comfort has also been carefully considered. Ergonomic helm seating reduces fatigue during extended operations, while climate-controlled interiors help maintain a comfortable working environment throughout changing weather conditions. Crew seating provides additional space for expedition personnel, survey teams, engineers, or emergency responders depending on the vessel's mission. Powering the Munson 52 are high-performance marine diesel engines or advanced propulsion packages selected to deliver outstanding reliability, fuel efficiency, and towing capability. Combined with the vessel's rugged hull design, these propulsion systems provide excellent handling characteristics even when carrying heavy cargo loads through rough coastal waters. The hull itself reflects decades of commercial boat building experience. Deep structural framing, reinforced plating, and carefully engineered weight distribution contribute to exceptional stability while minimizing vibration and improving overall ride comfort. These characteristics become especially important during long-distance operations or challenging sea conditions. Safety remains a central focus throughout every aspect of the vessel's construction. High-capacity bilge systems, automatic fire suppression equipment, emergency communications, navigation lighting, life-saving appliances, and multiple redundant systems help ensure safe operations for both crew and passengers under a wide range of operating conditions. Storage solutions have been integrated throughout the vessel to support long-duration expeditions. Dedicated compartments accommodate tools, spare equipment, emergency supplies, ropes, anchors, maintenance materials, and mission-specific gear while keeping the working deck organized and efficient. The versatility of the Munson 52 allows it to serve numerous industries around the world. Government agencies utilize similar landing craft for coastal security, infrastructure maintenance, and disaster response. Construction companies rely on them to transport heavy equipment to waterfront job sites. Scientific organizations deploy them for marine research and environmental monitoring, while adventure tourism operators use them to reach remote destinations inaccessible by conventional vessels. Search and rescue organizations also benefit from this type of platform. The spacious deck, shallow draft, and beach landing capability allow emergency responders to reach isolated coastal communities during floods, storms, or natural disasters where road access has been disrupted. For offshore support operations, the vessel provides a dependable transportation platform capable of delivering personnel, supplies, and specialized equipment to offshore installations, islands, and marine construction projects. Its rugged aluminum structure allows continuous operation in environments that demand exceptional durability. Fuel efficiency continues to play an increasingly important role in modern vessel design. Advanced engine management systems, optimized hull geometry, and lightweight aluminum construction help reduce operating costs while extending cruising range. These efficiencies are especially valuable for operators conducting daily commercial operations or long-distance expeditions. Maintenance has also been simplified through practical engineering solutions. Aluminum construction resists corrosion exceptionally well when properly maintained, while accessible machinery spaces allow technicians to perform routine inspections and servicing efficiently. Reduced maintenance downtime translates directly into increased operational availability. As technology continues advancing, many modern expedition landing craft now incorporate optional thermal imaging cameras, drone integration, satellite communications, remote diagnostics, and digital fleet management systems. These technologies expand operational capabilities while improving crew safety and mission effectiveness. The Munson 52 expedition landing craft demonstrates how thoughtful engineering can create a vessel capable of serving countless professional applications without sacrificing reliability or performance. Every structural component, mechanical system, and operational feature has been designed with real-world functionality in mind. Whether transporting heavy equipment across coastal waterways, supporting scientific expeditions in remote regions, assisting emergency response teams during natural disasters, or delivering supplies to isolated communities, this remarkable vessel proves its value through versatility, strength, and dependable performance. Its combination of heavy-duty aluminum construction, advanced navigation technology, practical cargo handling systems, and exceptional operational flexibility makes the Munson 52 one of the most capable expedition landing craft available in today's commercial marine industry. Thank you for joining Luxury Yacht Hub as we explored the impressive Munson 52-foot expedition landing craft. If you enjoyed this complete walkthrough, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Luxury Yacht Hub, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest vessel tours, marine engineering features, commercial workboat showcases, and maritime technology updates. Until next time, thank you for watching, and we'll see you on our next adventure across the water.